Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Vignesh and in this playlist Mastering SQL and Cloud BigQuery in Google Cloud Platform, we will be learning SQL end to end from basics to intermediate and to expert level where we will be writing complex SQL queries on Google Cloud BigQuery in GCP environment. So this playlist mainly focuses on how to do analytics using SQL, that is structured query language in BigQuery. That will be the core of this playlist. And also we'll be exploring other functionalities of Cloud BigQuery where how it is being used for storage purpose, for administrative purpose, for data governance, data mesh, data visualization and for data monitoring purpose. I am very excited to start this playlist. As a learner, what's in it for you with this playlist? So you will be benefited in two different ways. The first one is this is completely free. You don't need to pay anything, and for learning and for doing hands-on as well, we will be using the free trial in Google Cloud Platform, and also we will be using BigQuery sandbox environment. And the next one is which is very important, and this is to help everyone from freshers who wants to get into the IT industry, from data analysts to business analysts, data engineers, ML engineers, and people who are from data background and people who wanted to get into a better job. For all of them, to put it in a simple word, this playlist is meant to everyone who wants to learn SQL and Cloud BigQuery. Even in this AI era, SQL is one of the most important and demanding skill you want to have in order to survive in this competing industry. And again, to talk about BigQuery, BigQuery is a very popular enterprise level data warehouse offered by Google Cloud Platform. And Google Cloud Platform is one of the top most important and very popular cloud platforms available out there. And day by day, talents are required to work in GCP, in analytics, with SQL knowledge, or in great demand. So these are all the reasons for you to start with this playlist, and I'll definitely try my best to support you in this journey. Now we will quickly understand what is Cloud BigQuery. So Cloud BigQuery is a fully managed AI ready data analytics platform. So Cloud BigQuery will help you to get the maximum value from the data, and also it is designed to work with multi-engine, multi-format and multi-cloud platforms. From BigQuery you can get data from other cloud providers, from your on-prem systems, and also you will be able to work in multi-format as well. And BigQuery is a fully managed service from Google Cloud Platform. It is basically serverless, which means we don't need to manage the infrastructure. Google Cloud will take care of it. And BigQuery is a highly scalable enterprise level data warehouse service provided by Google Cloud Platform. So if you take any enterprise level data warehouse, this particular term BigQuery, you will be hearing it very common. And with BigQuery, you can collect data from various sources, you can store the data, you can do analytics on top of the data, and also you will be able to visualize it in multiple different ways. And what is BigQuery mainly used for? BigQuery is mainly used for three different purposes. One is for analytics, and the next one is for storing the data, and the third one is administrative. Apart from this, you will be able to do data management, and you will be able to query where you will be able to understand what the data is all about, and you will be able to run terabytes of data in seconds and petabytes of data in minutes, and you will be able to integrate with different services from third parties, from other cloud providers as well. And the next one is you will be able to use BigQuery in machine learning and BI use cases, that is business intelligence use cases. You will be able to integrate it with visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Looker Studios, like Google Cloud's own data visualization tool, that is Looker Studio. And with BigQuery, you will be able to do data governance, data security, and backup and restore as well. So these are the cases where BigQuery is mainly used for. Apart from this, there are many other use cases as well. So in the next video, we will be starting this playlist by first discussing the real challenges faced by data peoples like data analysts, business analysts, data engineers, machine learning engineers while running their queries, while storing the data, and also some challenges related to the infrastructure. I'll see you there. Happy learning.